The kneeling resistance band glute kickback is an isolation exercise that primarily targets the glutes. From a progressive overload standpoint, increasing resistance enough to effectively grow your glutes can be challenging with resistance bands, especially since the band loses tension in the stretch position. However, I like incorporating them as a glute activation exercise to establish a strong mind-muscle connection before heavier lifts. Here's how to do it correctly. While kneeling on the floor, loop one end of the resistance band around both thumbs, then place the other end around one foot. Press your hands and knees into the floor with your hands and knees directly below your shoulders and hips. With your core engaged and back straight, under control, extend your leg back and diagonally out to the side while squeezing your glutes. Avoid arching your lower back while keeping the movement slow and controlled. Lower your knee back to the starting position, then repeat. Complete all the reps on one side before switching to the other leg. If you want to see real results in the gym, it's time to stop doing random workouts and start following a structured plan. Try my workout app free for 7 days.